This is the blower. There are 3 screws. This is number 1. Behind here number 2. And then you will have some there, number 3. Okay, so before you undo the screw, you see this wire here. You just press here and pull. Yes, this socket comes out. Okay, so this socket now, the motor is disconnected. So now we just undo the screw. Okay, you can see I've undo the 3 screws. So now I'm supporting with my hand. This thing you can just slowly lift it down. Okay, right, see, so this thing comes out one piece. Okay, so the motor is making noise, so we're going to change this whole unit. Okay, so we have already purchased the new one. Okay, so this is the new one, this is the old one. So everything is the same, it's just that the new one, you see the roller, you see the old one, right? It takes time to stop because the bearing already wear and tear. So we are going to fix this now. Okay, so before we put back, obviously we want to check first whether it's working or not. So we just have to ignition the car on.
There is a new parking surveillance video.
So okay, so it's working, so we can fix it back the same way we took out. Okay, 3 screws only, just use 1 screwdriver. Okay, we have already fixed back the blower. So now let's do a measurement. Okay, so we put it right at the minimum. Okay, so we put the sound measurement meter there. So roughly we are getting 49 to 50. So wrap it up to 50. Okay, so it clearly shows that the previous blower, okay, the bearing have given way. So I hope this video have given you some information on how you can actually change your blower and save some costs. So till we meet again now guys, checking out, we wish you all the best, stay safe and stay blessed.